So evolution is that, right? It's just change. Evolutionary biochemistry is that field that studies from the origin of life to the diversity that we see today at the level of the chemical structure of the life. Now in the lab we are trying to create some bacteria that will be able to digest or to break down complex plastic polymers. Today for plastic, there is no solution at all. There is no known molecule that can break plastic, an organic or biological molecule that can break plastic, or at least most of the plastics. We kind of use the same rules of how enzymes and how bacteria have been evolving for almost 4 billion years, and we try to abstract the rules and then try to then apply them to other complex systems that we need to create de novo. Learning how nature did it, how nature changed proteins, we learn how we can actually navigate this space, because proteins are a very complex matrix. Minimally, they have 200 different components. Questions like how many components you can change at the same time, how gradual the change must occur. This is what we actually kind of study while studying natural evolution. If now I want to engineer, for example, a novel enzyme for plastic degradation, I will do a gradual process. I will look for similar proteins in nature that can do similar jobs.